Car. I go to work by car. I take the bus to school. Bicycle. She rides her bicycle every day. Motorcycle. He has a red motorcycle. Scooter. I drive my scooter to the park. Truck. The truck carries heavy goods. Van. We rent a van for the trip. Taxi. I called a taxi to the airport. Ambulance. The ambulance arrived quickly. Fire truck. The fire truck is very big. Police car. The police car is chasing the thief. Tram. I take the tram to the city center. Subway. The subway is very fast. Train. I travel by train every week. High-speed train. The high-speed train is very fast. Monorail. The monorail goes above the city. Trolley. We rode the trolley downtown. Cable car. The cable car goes up the mountain. Funicular. The funicular is slow but safe. Boat. We go fishing by boat. The ship is very large. Ferry. We take the ferry to the island. He has a luxurious yacht. Sailboat. We sailed on a small sailboat. Canoe. Paddle the canoe on the river. Pig. She goes kayaking on weekends. Rowboat. We rode the rowboat in the lake. Jet ski. He rides a jet ski at the beach. Paddleboard. I try paddle boarding this summer. Cruise ship. We traveled on a cruise ship. Airplane. I fly by airplane to London. Helicopter. The helicopter landed on the roof. Glider. He learned to fly a glider. Hot air balloon. We rode a hot air balloon. Hang glider. He jumps with a hang glider. Paraglider. I want to try paragliding. Drone. He flies a drone in the park. Spaceship. The spaceship went to the moon. Rocket. The rocket launched yesterday. Hovercraft. The hovercraft moves over water. Skateboard. I ride my skateboard in the street. Roller skates. She wears roller skates to the park. Electric scooter. I ride an electric scooter to school. Golf cart. We use a golf cart on the course. Segway. He rides a Segway in the city. Rickshaw. The rickshaw goes slowly through the street. Tuk. We rode a tuk-tuk in Thailand. Horse carriage. The horse carriage moves slowly. Wagon. The children play with a wagon. Minibus. We travel by minibus. Limousine. He arrived in a black limousine. Pickup truck. The pickup truck carries boxes. Camper van. We sleep in a camper van. Snowmobile. He rides a snowmobile in winter. Tractor. The farmer drives a tractor. Bulldozer. The bulldozer moves the dirt. Excavator. The excavator digs the ground. Forklift. The forklift lifts heavy boxes. Crane. The crane lifts the steel beams. Tank. The army uses a tank. Armored car. The armored car protects money. Military jeep. Soldiers drive a military jeep. Bobsled. We watch the bobsled race. Dog sled. They travel by dog sled. Cable car tram. The cable car tram goes up the hill. Double-decker bus. We sat on the top of the double-decker bus. Minivan. The minivan carries our family. School bus. Children go to school by school bus. Delivery van. The delivery van brings packages. Food truck. We bought food from a food truck. Ice cream truck. The ice cream truck came to the street. Sailplane. He flies a sailplane on weekends. Amphibious vehicle. The amphibious vehicle drives on land and water. Fire engine. The fire engine rushes to the fire. Snowplow. The snowplow clears the road. Garbage truck. The garbage truck comes every morning. Cement mixer. The cement mixer is on the construction site. Tow truck. The tow truck towed my car. Bullet train. We rode the bullet train to Tokyo. Tanker truck. The tanker truck carries fuel. Flatbed truck. The flatbed truck transports machinery. Motorcycle sidecar. He rides a motorcycle sidecar. Scooter moped. She drives a scooter moped. Dinghy. The dinghy floats on the water. Catamaran. We sailed on a catamaran. Yacht sailboat. The yacht sailboat is fast. Jet plane. The cruise liner is huge. Blimp. We saw a blimp over the city.